Well, hello to all of my awesome YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's vlog. Okay, so what I'm doing today, we got another unboxing mystery for you today. And by the way, thanks so much, Slick, for sending this my way. But don't worry, I'll be sending something to you pretty soon as well. But basically, this is one heck of an interesting box, should I say. But let's get into the unboxing and see what we got in the mail today. It could be something for computers. It could be something for something else. You never know. But alright, let's crack it open. Let's have some fun. Here is the awesome package I got in the mail. And by the way, thank you so much, Slick, for this package. And we're gonna crack it open with the pocket knife. Basically. Holy shnikens, you taped this thing like son of a dilly. What the heck? You must be using some strong packing tape or something here, bud. I guess you want to make sure the package gets here safely. My goodness, buddy. That is one heck of a job you did there, buddy. Alright, cut this box open. Oh my goodness, buddy. You're sure taped her pretty good. Taped her like no tomorrow. Ah, man, bud. You really use some strong packing tape. What is in this package, should I say? Looks like we got something. Dude, this is awesome. Again, crazy. But thank you so much for this package. What we got in here? Looks like we got some different fans. Oh, those are kind of cool. I want to have a packle, dude. That's awesome. What the snikins? Like, dude, that is awesome. Thank you. I will definitely put these fans to some good use. Definitely in the computer. Basically. That's the one. How awesome package to unbox. Thanks. Well, thank you so much again, Slick, for the awesome package and these awesome fans. Now, not just fans, I also ODs, and that's pretty freaking awesome. And he didn't send me one, he sent me 5 of them. Basically, that is awesome, dude. That's so cool, and that's gonna look so nice in my rig right here. Basically, thank you again. And don't worry, buddy, you're gonna get a package too. But I just gotta find out what package I'm sending you, buddy. But don't worry. But again, I really do appreciate that. Thank you, and that was very nice of you to actually send me your fans. That's so cool, man. Awesome. But alright, if you guys enjoy the supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day.